I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello, it is Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing lazy girl method using some tips that I purchased from AliExpress, and these are some medium almond shape. Now, as you know, that right thumb it'd be a problem, but I make it work when it comes to applying tips to my thumb. I have not found a brand that works well on fitting my thumb sidewalk to sidewalk. I'm still in the hunt, but I end up making it work, and I haven't had any issues with that finger as far as the nail popping off. So it is what it is. So now I'm just going in, as you can see inside, picking out my sizes. So once I get out my sizes, there is two that don't fit quite as well. So I am going in and rounding that back off. That way it can fit my nail perfectly. So once I do that, I am going in to etch the inside of the nail. That way that gel have something to stick to, because this is not a pop-off method. So I want to make sure that when I apply the polygel, it has something to stick to. So I am using Madam Glam base gel and a Siesta from Makartt. I really do need to get Makartt base and top coat, because as sometimes you don't want to mix brands, you want to use all of the same brands. I really haven't had an issue with that, but it is good to keep product with product. So when you can, you want to keep all of the products the same, but when you don't, you use what you got. And this Madam Glam base coat haven't given me any issues when I use it with other brands, especially with polygel. So that's my go-to base gel if I don't have another brand's base or top. I am doing a lazy girl method, so I am going in with the base coat and applying that to all of the nails, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So other than swatching my polygel, this is probably the first time I've done polygel on my nails. I really don't use polygel that much. However, the lazy girl method is a nice easy way to start implementing polygel on my channel, so I went with that first. And so what I'm doing is pretty much spreading this polygel into the nail, making sure it covers from sidewall to sidewalls, and that I'm not leaving any blank spaces. And then I'm going to repeat that same thing to all of the nails. And I believe I only showed about 3 nails on camera, only because, and I recorded myself doing all of it, but I kept it short. I repeated the exact same thing over and over. It wasn't nothing special. So I only kept 3 nails in the video, so you can have an idea of how I am doing the process. And I am using 91% acetone, not acetone, ooh, don't do that, alcohol as my slip solution. And I am continuously looking at the underneath of the nail, because I want to make sure I'm not leaving any spaces and I am fully covering the nail. So I did do the prep for my nails off camera. So now I'm going in with that Madam Glam base coat, and I'm going to apply that to all of my nails. Now, it was at this moment of editing that I realized I don't have a clip of me applying my nails. And I almost didn't post this video because I was like, now, how did I miss the most important part? That's the most important part of the process, girl. I don't know. I thought in my head, I knew I was recording. But when I came to edit and upload my files, I looked under, over, and beyond. And I don't know where that old clip went. I was so disappointed. I could not believe I lost that clip. I don't know where it went, but it didn't make it to the uploading system, nor is it on my phone. I can't find it on my phone. It's not in my deleted file, so I'm not sure if I just didn't record the process or I'm gonna go with the file disappeared. I don't understand where it went, so I do apologize for that. But now I'm just going in and roughing up the surface. I am so disappointed. I can't believe I missed that part. But won't be the last time you see Polygel on my channel. I would definitely do this process again and make sure I record it. I can't believe it. I'm still in shock. This is getting ridiculous. So because I plan on doing the pop-off method on these nails, so I pretty much figured in my head, if I have a permanent base, I can just do the pop-off method on top of that. And so that is exactly what I have been doing lately, is just doing the designs on top of my nails using my UNT pillow face coat, and it pretty much pop off. And this is how I'm going to allow my natural nails to grow back out. I did this previously. This is typically how I get my nails when I have to cut them to grow back out. I either do builder gel or I put tips on until they grow out to the length that I want, and then I take it off and then go back to wearing my natural nails. So these are what the nails are looking like. I absolutely love the Siesta from Makartt because it is so easy to work with and it matches my skin tone perfectly. So this is definitely my go-to when it comes to Makartt Polygel. I definitely need to rack up because I heard somebody say that Makartt don't be selling Polygel no more. So I definitely want to make sure I get enough before they run out of stock. And so this is what we have. This is what we're working with. If you've made it this far in the video, I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. If you are new here and you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so, so much for your continued support. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, bye-bye.
What a wonderful world.